Open a browser and search for Sublime Text. Click the first link in the search results. Click the download button. Wait for the download to finish. Click the downloaded file to start installing. Click OK when the UAC panel asks for permission. Click Next. You can change the installation path if you want. Click OK. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Click Finish. Sublime Text is now installed. You can pin the software to the taskbar. Right-click on the icon and select Pin to Taskbar. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.